Ladies and gentlemen, now we will start the last lecture of the analyze phase. During the lecture, the following topic will be covered. Run chart. Run chart has a wide range of application to detect trends, variation, or cycles. It allows a team to compare performances of a process before and after the implementation of the solution. Collect data, at least 10-20 points, to be meaningful, and be sure to track the order in which the data were generated by the process. How to construct a run chart. Mark off the data units on the vertical y-axis and mark the sequence 1, 2, 3, or time unit, March 11th, 12 March, 13th March, on the horizontal x-axis. Plot the data points on the chart and draw a line to connect them in sequence. Determine the median and draw a line at that value on the chart and count the number of points not on the median. Circle, then count the number of runs. A run is to find a series of consecutive points that do not cross the median. Please note the following. Points on the median are not counted toward total points. Points on the median do not interrupt the run if the median is not crossed, points 11 to 15. In this example, the number of points not in the median are 22, and the number of the runs are 12. How can we create run charts in Excel using Sigma Excel? Click Sigma Excel, then Analyze, then Basic Graphical Templates, then click Run Chart. Insert the sequence and the data. Click Run Chart. How can we create run charts using Minitab? Click Stat, then Quality Tools, then click Run Chart. Select the data column and press OK. Collect data for the 3 shifts for 7 days using special software connected to a production machine. Track the order in which the data were generated by the process. Mark off the data units on the vertical y-axis and mark the sequence. For week places per 100 kilometers. Number of the points not in the median are 19. Number of runs are 11. For speed. Number of the points not in the median are 19. Number of runs are 12. For yarn faults per 100 kilometers. Number of the points not in the median are 19. Number of runs are 11. Use the run chart table to interpret the results. The table gives you a range of runs you can expect to see if the data are random. Common cause variation only and from a normal distribution. If the number of counted runs is bigger or smaller than expected, you may have special cause variation in the process where the data are not normal. In our example, number of points not on median is equal to 19, while number of runs is equal to 11 and 12. Therefore, no special causes. The following examples display possible patterns and their interpretations, as well as actions to be taken. Description of the pattern: 2 little data points. Little clusters, accumulation of points above or below the median, may indicate a cycle. Action to do: analyze what the clusters below the median have in common and how they differ from those above the median. Description of the pattern: too many data points. Too many clusters above or below the median indicate overcompensation, a sample taken from several sources, or contrived data. Action to do: analyze what distinguishes the upper from the lower points. Description of the pattern: shifts. 8 or more successive points on one side of the median indicate a shift in a key element of the process. Action to do: analyze what was changed in the process at the moment when the shift emerged. Description of the pattern: trends. 7 or more points which rise or fall continuously indicate a trend. Action to do: analyze which strong actor has caused the change trend. Description of the pattern: same values. A succession of 7 or more points with the same value. Action to do: analyze if the measuring equipment has become stuck. Consider the data shown, which represents average product diameter as measured for a period of 20 days. Construct a run chart and find if there are special causes of variation. Please pause the lecture and solve the exercise. Number of points not on median is equal to 20, while number of runs is equal to 10. Therefore, no special causes. Consider the data shown, which represents average product diameter as measured for a period of 20 days. Construct a run chart and find if there are special causes of variation. Please pause the lecture and solve the exercise. A trend signals a special cause, like 2 where, when there is a sequence of even or more data points steadily increasing or decreasing with no change in direction. Consider the data shown, which represents average product diameter as measured for a period of 20 days. Construct a run chart and find if there are special causes of variation. Please pause the lecture and solve the exercise. A cycle, or repeating pattern, is indication of a possible special cause. A cycle must be interpreted in the context of the run chart. It signals of special cause variation. Repeating pattern is sign for defective rotating part, like broken gear teeth. Find if there is a signal for special cause of variation. Please perform the activity and send your output by email for assessment. Please download the PDF file, time series plots, case study, and perform the required activity. Then, send your output by email for assessment. Please download from the resources the instructional video for Run Chart using Sigma XL and Minitab, Run Chart Sigma XL.mp4, Run Chart Minitab.mp4. Now, we will perform checklist for the analyze phase. In case of any unmarked point, from your point of view, please replay the lectures of analyze phase, check the course materials, watch the instructional videos, check the templates, and perform the activities. We will perform the checklist for the following potential causes. The possible causes for the problem are identified. The possible causes are categorized and prioritized. Verification of potential causes, process analysis. The current process is analyzed and the weak points are identified. Value and time analyses have been carried out. Verification of potential causes, data analysis. The key input and process measurements are identified. The data quality is ensured. The data gathered is analyzed with the aid of suitable statistical methods. Root causes. List of verified causes is drawn up. It is time to develop your project. Use all the available Analyze phase tools, cause and effect, 5 whys, variation analysis, etc., to find out the cause of any problem or issue. Check the normality of the data and make transformation if necessary. Apply DOE for the experiment, if applicable on the project. Design the run charts for the collected data and check them. Thank you, and see you on the next module of the Improve phase.